Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner for the last week of March. So it's March 25th to the 31st. I am going to be using the Coffee Planner Queen stickers. This is from her $2 club. If you want to join, just let her know I sent you over. So you pay like $8 a month, and every Tuesday you get new stickers, new printable stickers. So that's super, super exciting. So here you go. I'm gonna go ahead and start with Mojo Jojo stickers and her boxes. So I want to incorporate black so I can have some of the actual functional stuff in my planner this week. So here we go, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use stickers from Crafty Planner Queen, and we will see how it goes. So I'm gonna add all of these in here. These are going to be for my work schedule. I'm going to layer them a bit, so this way I can go ahead and keep my work schedule in check. So here we go. I need more boxes, of course, because who doesn't need more boxes? Okay. Also, if this is your first time joining, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so happy you're spending more time with me. As you can see, I'm making a little bit of a box extravaganza here and adding a lot of boxes. But it's going to be a busy week in general, so I need that. So I'm going to go ahead and draw some lines in those boxes to make it functional for myself. So just keep on for a few more minutes, and then we're going to start decorating. These stickers, by the way, are to die for. So if you have not seen it, stay tuned. Okay, look at this. Like, how beautiful are these girls and all of these stickers? And if you don't want it to become like on a religious background, you just skip the religious stickers and you're good to go. Look how beautiful they are, right? Just love them. Okay, so I'm adding all sorts of little things. All of them have eggs, as you can see. It is simply stunning. How cute, right? Even a little planner decorated with Easter. So pretty. Okay. So I was thinking of cutting up the sticker and see how it goes, but we'll see. Plot twist, he lives. And then this is the second page, and we're gonna keep some of that and pull these things up. So I'm gonna add these little things. I actually really, really love them. So okay, it is getting super, super full, and I know it, but we're not done just yet. I'm gonna go ahead and put this little thing up here, and then let's take this off and see if I can add like Easter on top or something like that. And yes, I do enjoy my spreads to be super busy. So if you're like me, you probably will like this. And if you're not like me, this is probably going to be a little too busy for you, which I understand. Like I said, it's not this busy spread is not for everyone. but I do think that these images are super gorgeous. And we're gonna go ahead and add these huge Mambi sticks. They're so gorgeous. So we're gonna spell out Easter. I'm just going to start pulling all of the letters that I need. Probably backwards, so I can fit them backwards. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna use tweezers to just make sure that they're placed like pretty aligned. It's already not, but I'm gonna do my best, you know. I could use a ruler, but I still need to like play with placement and stuff, and these are large. They're not as small as normal, so I need to get pretty close to get it down. Okay. Look at this. Haha, this is turning out so pretty. So we need an A and an E, and we'll be done. What do you guys think about this one? I know it is super busy, like I said. I really loved it, but again, I'm not sure if this is everyone's style. I'm just gonna add the E right there. I'm gonna move this box. Yeah, this box can live right there, and then E can have more space. And I'm just gonna punch the holes, which is no big deal. Okay. So that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'm just going to use my Crop-A-Dio really quick to punch out those holes, and we are all done. I am so happy you spent some time with me. I hope you had a great time, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye.